this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix voice chat not working here in Fall Guys, no matter what platform you're on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. By default, voice chat is going to be turned off. It's usually the main reason why it might not be working for you. So go up to the, settings up the top, select options, and then scroll down a little bit. And what you're looking for is voice chat on here. If you don't see voice chat, make sure that you go into your audio settings first. And once you're in audio, scroll down and find party voice chat and just make sure it's turned on. If it's disabled, turn it on and you'll be good to go and it should immediately start working. However, right underneath it, go ahead and find talk mode and go ahead and make sure that this is set to open mic rather than push to talk. I personally just prefer open mic. It essentially means that it's just going to activate whenever you speak. With push to talk, you have to obviously hold down a button to talk, and as soon as you release it, your mic's going to turn off. If you didn't realize it was set to push to talk, this could be an issue. And you can also adjust the voice chat volume section in this as well, and make sure it's turned up high enough. If it's too low, you're not going to hear anyone, even if everything else is working. So make sure that your friends also have voice chat enabled too. If they don't have it turned on, obviously you will not be able to communicate. If you are playing cross-platform as well, everyone is going to need to have it enabled. If one person has it off, it's not going to work properly. If you're on console as well, I'd also recommend double checking your system audio settings. For example, on PlayStation, you can go into sound settings and just make sure your output device is set to your correct headset. And make sure your microphone is selected correctly as well. Confirm that it's not muted. If your mic is muted at the system level, Fall Guys will not detect it. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.